Hey everybody, how are you today? Andreas Dettlaff here, chairman of Absolute Pharmacy. We're sitting here at this amazing winter conference of the A4M in Las Vegas. So many years we've been here, so many years, such a great conference, so many people to talk to. And I'm kind of here just to give you a little bit of an overview. There's an overwhelming number of compound pharmacies here. I visit them all, I'm friends with them all. And really, it kind of boils down to my sales pitch that I'm giving to everybody here, and what's the difference, and who do you choose? And it's really easy, for me, in my opinion, it's very easy to understand. Every one of the compound pharmacies here, we all make the same medications. Okay, it's very simple. We all make the same testosterone, the same peptides, the same HCG, the same vitamins. They all come from the same raw material manufacturers in the United States. So everyone's basically making the same thing. And I can pretty much assure you that all the pharmacies, all the compound pharmacies that are here today are each held to the highest standard of quality, because you know that you're getting a quality product and it's the same. Now, you're going to meet many, many different sales reps. All the sales reps are going to tell you the same thing. We can match your price. We can beat your price. That's how the compound industry works. Everyone's going to nickel and dime you for a better price. That's great. We do the same thing. If you can read it down here, it's a price match guarantee. If I have to beat the price by a couple dollars, we'll do that too. That's not the name of the game, though. That's not where I feel the importance is when it comes to selecting a compound pharmacy. The most important thing for me is customer service and fulfillment times. Okay, so I'm not going to mention any names. There's a lot of the big boys that are in here, PE funded groups that are in here, and and a lot of people use them, and a lot of people are moving away from them because they have a 7 to 10 day fulfillment time. No patient, no doctor wants to submit a script and have it sent out of the facility 7 to 10 days later. What's even worse is that these facilities, if there's an error in the script, what happens is they'll notify you 7 to 10 days later. You have to fix it by fax or by email. Then you have to resend it in, and you're at the bottom of the queue again. You're at the bottom of the queue. So now you're waiting an extra 7 to 10 days to get your medication. So if there's an issue, what are you looking at? 2 weeks to get your medications? Unheard of. Absolute Pharmacy prides itself in the technology that we build. We're not fighting for drugs. We're not fighting for price. Everyone does that. That's obvious. We fight for technology. We are the only technology advanced compound pharmacy that has fully built and developed its own proprietary software platform that can fulfill your script in 2 hours. That's why it's on the top. Fill your script in 2 hours. That's why everybody's stopping by our booth. That's why everybody's so interested. Not only that, our software allows you to track on demand in real time the progress of your script. Is it in data entry? Is it in filling? Is it in verification? Is it in shipping? Once it's shipped, live tracking information is live. You don't have to call customer service. Your staff doesn't have to sit on the phone, leave messages with our people. We don't have to leave messages with your people because you're out to lunch. The next thing you know, 2 days goes by and we're still trying to figure stuff out. It's impossible at Absolute Pharmacy with the Absolute RX system that we built. More importantly, we have a problem button. We love the problem button. It's one of the biggest thrills that we've developed. The problem button is simply if you do submit a script and there is an error with the signature, the directions, anything on that it's wrong, our pharmacists or our technicians hit one button, we type the problem in there, and it automatically text messages you, calls you, robocalls you, emails you to as many contacts as you want to put in your notification center. I mean, basically, you'll get notified right away. You get a text message on your phone. You click it. It puts you automatically onto the script where the issue is. You can correct it right on your iPhone or your Android phone. Hit submit, and within 2 minutes, the problem's resolved. Your script is back into the queue, and you just didn't waste 2 weeks of your life. So we think at Absolute Pharmacy that the technology is the future. The products are the same. The quality is the same. The pricing's the same. But we offer the technology that will allow you to fulfill, track all your packages so that you're happy, your customers are happy, we're all happy. I want to thank you for listening to my speech today, live from the A4M in Las Vegas Winter Conference. My name is Andreas Dettlaff, chairman of Absolute Pharmacy. Thank you so much. Have a Merry Christmas, everyone.